this is Bee from Sorcery Soap, and the proofs just came in for the second time. And so for those who don't know, I had a book called The Soap Recipe Book of Light and Shadow, which had 20 recipes in it, and there were animal-based and vegetable-based recipes in there. I split them into two books. One is vegetable-based, all vegetable-based soap recipes in here, and soap dough recipes. Also, these are animal-based, my favorite recipes in here, and there's lots of places for notes to keep notes on every recipe that you have so that you can make this book into your own book. There's also different quotes in both books under each recipe, and just charts and all types of information so that you can stay organized and get organized and then have a history of your soap making process. And what I included in this book is not just terms and tricks and all types of insights about soap dough, but soap dough basics and soap basics. So both, once you read this chapter, you'll understand how soap dough works, and you'll understand exactly how cold process works as well. And a little bit of information that is really hard to find about our soap history, and that is going to be, more soap history is going to be included in the 5th book. So there's 4 soap dough books on the website right now. These 2 will be printed soon, which are actually quite nice. To me, they're nicer, and that's why I went to such effort to have these printed, because I think that they're nicer as far as ebook goes versus the ebook. I understand if you want an ebook and you don't want to pay for shipping all over the world, and I totally get that, and that's why I offer the ebook. However, these books are ridiculous in the sense that you can put your own soap history in here and keep track of all your notes and have it in one place, and then have something to actually either pass on or reference for yourself in the future. And they're now separated, and I will be offering a set so that you can get all 4 books printed together, and I'm working on that right now. These should be available in a couple weeks. I have to get with the publisher and get them to print these in volume, but these are my proofs, and they came out lovely, and all my margins are good, and all the graphics are perfect, and I'm just very, very pleased. And there's a new cover called An Enchanted Book of Peculiar Ideas in Soap Potions. And that has a new cover coming to go along with the theme of these 2 covers. And then the magic of soap dough, of course. And all those will be offered in the set. So I'm pretty excited about those 2. But I wanted to share these with you and let you know that I'm still working on them and getting them all squared away so that you can have a collection of magical soap books.